Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create email marketing campaign with Mailchimp. For those who don't know, basically email marketing campaign is a scheduled series of email used to nurture leads and current customer to encourage engagement and increase sales. So if you're creating a business, for instance, in the fields of retails, and maybe your customers already checking out on your store but they haven't bought anything yet, you can use email as your communications platform to remind your customers to either check out their product or just to engage more with them. Mailchimp is one of the platforms that are going to help you to create those series of email. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to go to mailchimp.com, and if you haven't created an account yet, you can go ahead and click on sign up. And then once you click on sign up, Mailchimp is going to give you a selections of subscription or a selections of prices that you can choose if you decided to use Mailchimp as one of your business tools. So they have several plans right here. They have premium plan, standard, essentials, and free, and they also come in a variety of price range. They have different benefits depending on which plan you choose. The more higher you pay, the bigger benefits you will receive. For example, with the premium plan, you will be able to send up to 150,000 mail per month. Meanwhile, for the free one, you can only be able to send around 1,000 email in a month. So feel free to choose the best plans for you. I'm just going to go with the free ones right now. Go ahead and click on sign up, and then you can start inserting your business emails, username, as well as password. Once you're finished with your sign up, you're going to be able to see your Mailchimp dashboard. So this is how your dashboard will look like. On the navigations menu on the left side of your screen, you're going to be able to see on the several things or several tools that you can use for your business. The first one is a campaign. So this is the campaign managers on which you can create an email campaign, and we're going to get more details into that later. And you can also create automations for your mails, like building welcoming mails. You can also create email tag customer, celebrates customer's birthday, etc. You also will have a dashboard for your audience on where you can insert your contacts. So let's say you have your customers' contacts. You have a list of customers' contacts. You can go ahead and upload it over here, or you can also insert your customers' names manually, and it's going to make it easier for you when you're trying to send an email to a customer. And here you also have a dashboard for analytics, and on the analytics you're going to be able to see the performance of your campaigns, your ads, etc. Now let's try by adding your contacts. To create your contacts, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the audience sections, and then you're going to be able to find audience dashboard, and on your audience dashboard you're going to find this add your contacts button. So go ahead and click on that. So there are several ways that you could do to insert contacts to Mailchimp. The first one is by importing your contacts from another service. The second one is by uploading a file. Usually they will approve a file in the form of CSV or tab delimited TXT files, and you can also just copy and paste your contacts by copying it from like maybe another list and then paste it directly into your Mailchimp. I'm going to use that method for now. Go ahead and click on continues, and then they're also going to tell you how to copy and paste your contact info. It says that you need to paste your contact information into this box using commas to separate each field. There should be one contact per line, so you can add more than one contact as long as you separate it right. So let's try and add a contact. Alright, so I've inserted several contacts, and I'm going to go ahead and click continue to organize. And here you'll be able to select a status of your contacts, whether they are subscribed, unsubscribed, or non-subscribed, or clean. You can go ahead and click on any of it. I'm going to go ahead and click non-subscribe for now. Then I'm going to continue to tag. Over here you'll be able to create a tags for your contacts so that you know what kind of customers they are. So they can either be, let's say, customers or a member if you have some memberships on your business, or they can be your staff, etc. Let's say that they are my customers, so I'm going to go ahead and use that tag. And to add more tag, you can always do it by typing in on this text box right here. So let's say they are partner. Go ahead and click it, and now you got a new tag. Sometimes things like this could happen where only one or two column is recognized, and the only thing you have to do if that happens is click on the columns that are not recognized, and then you can manually insert the categories for that column. In this case, my columns will be for a last name, and then click on confirm, and now your column is going to be recognized. Last one should be the address. Confirm. Then after every single column is recognized, we can start finalizing the import. Alright, now we got our contacts on the audience. We can go ahead and click on view contacts and here how it looks like. We can easily insert multiple contacts at once by using that method that I just showed you, or you can also just use CSV and insert even more contact with even more details. Now that we got our contacts, we can start and creating our campaign. To create your email campaigns, you can go ahead and click on create on the navigations bar, and over here you're also going to be asked on what kind of things you would like to create. Would you like to create emails, automations, website, landing page, or creative assistance? I'm going to go with emails, and then you can choose whether you want to create a regular email or just a plain text email or things with templates. I always like to start with templates because I feel like it will looks more interesting. So you can go ahead and click on templates, and then I'm going to click get started. And right here you'll be able to see several templates that you can use. You can also choose the email purpose as well as the templates categories or the templates theme, as well as the style of your templates. So go ahead and play around with the filters until you found the templates that you feel is the most suitable for your business. Now, some of the templates can only be used if you upgrade your account to the paid one. I'm currently using the free one, so I'm going to tick on this free templates only options. And let's see that I'm going to use this template, and then I can name my templates. Let's say I want this email to be a thank you email, so I'm going to name it thank you for your purchase. So let's say that the email that I'm going to create is an email that are going to be sent if they're purchasing something from my website. And over here you'll be able to play around with the email templates. You can change the logo by clicking on this logo, and then you can click set my logo and then upload your business logo. Let's say this is my business logo, and I'm going to upload it. And as you can see now, it's changed. Then you can also add pictures if you want by uploading it to Mailchimp. So feel free to customize this template and fill it in according to how you like it. Let's say, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to skip the whole process. Let's say that we're done with the editing. I'm going to go ahead and click save and edit. And once it's done, we can start and creating our email. So to create an email, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this arrow on the very right side of your screen, then click on create email, and then you can start and filling it the detail. So once you filled in the account that you're going to send this email for, as well as the account where you will want to send this email from, and the subjects, you can go ahead and click on send. And now you got your email sent. And that is it. That is how you can create an email campaigns by sending emails through Mailchimp. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.